If you look closely on the screen now, you see here I earned 200, 900 naira, 100 naira, 100 naira, 200 naira, 1000, 3000, 7000, 200, 100, 4000, and 11,700. Like, this is literally real, right? So stick around and make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step I'm going to show you guys.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to be earning at least from 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira in just a single day using your mobile phone, right? All I need you all to do is to please watch this video from the beginning to the end, and please make sure you don't skip any part of this video so that you guys don't miss any points I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, right? So with that being said, please drop a like on this video, and please make sure you drop a comment down below, right? Make sure you follow me on Instagram at DonTim TV. And with that being said, I'm going to hop into the screen right now to show you guys and walk you guys through how you can actually be making all this money I just said, right? With that being said, let's hop into the screen right now.
Yo, if you look closely on my screen right now, you'll see that I have 25,586 naira, right? This is actually the home page of the platform, right? The name of the platform is actually TBF Treasure, right? TBF Treasure. Now, if you look on your screen, there will be a pop-up, just like the one on my screen right now. They said invite one top-up user every day to get a reward of 250 naira. Please refer to the mission for details, right? So if you go to the mission, go to team. If you click on the team, click on mission, right? If you click on the mission, you wait a little bit. Now they said if you invite a user, you earn 250 naira. Invite 2 people, you earn 500 naira. Invite 5 people, you earn 1,250 naira. Invite 10 people, you earn 2,500 naira. Invite 20 people, you earn 5,000 naira, and so on and so forth, right? If you invite 100 people, you earn 25,000 naira. This is huge, right? This is huge. Now let me get back and walk you guys through other methods you can be earning from this platform, because it's not only from the referral that you can be earning, right? So stick around, go to the home. Now if you get to the home, you can see a whole bunch of stores on the home screen, right? This is actually the one you start investing with 500 naira. Now let me make something very clear on this platform. In this platform, you don't stand to lose anything, right? It's not like any other platform that when you invest or whatsoever, if things goes wrong, you lose your money. No. Now let me take you guys on a tour, like a very quick one. Let me show you guys how you can actually be making money, like investing your money and also catching out immediately, like immediately. Now the ornament is just the junior member part of it. Now if you invest in ornaments, you're going to earn 0.5% immediately, right? Let me click on it to show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the ornaments. If you look at the ornaments, we are going into the trade with 500 naira. I'm going to go ahead and grab the order right now, right? So you're going to wait for it to search and crawl the order, right? You're earning 0.5% of this trade, right? That's you're earning 0.5% of your investments. So if you look closer on the screen, they said the order is successful and the income and principal have been transferred to your account, right? Boom, boom. The money just added to account immediately, right? Immediately. Just take cognizance of the balance you have right now, right? Just know the balance. Let me go into another trade so you can go into other trades. Now let me go into this one, which is actually furniture. Now the amount for furniture is actually 10,000 naira. So let me hop into the furniture part of it. So for the furniture, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the offer for furniture, right? So we're earning 0.6% of our initial investment, which is actually 10,000 naira. So I'm gonna wait for it. They said the order is successful and the income and principal have been transferred to your account. Click yes. Now you wait for it to load. Boom, everything just added. Like the amount now has increased to 25,616 naira. I mean, this is literally how you can earn from this platform. You can go ahead and place another order, but I want to go ahead and do it in another package, right? So I'm going into the senior member, which is actually 25,000 naira. So don't panic, this platform is actually legit. Like, you're gonna make real money. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab an order, right? Boom, we're investing 25,000 naira this time around to increase our earnings, right? Don't panic, everything is working smoothly, right? So the order is successful, right? So we're gonna go ahead and click on yes and wait for it to load and refresh. Boom, you just earned almost 100 naira. Man, this is huge, bro. Like, you can do it up to 20 times daily, So You might be thinking that you might not be making pretty much amount of money from this, but through the referral part of it, trust me, you can be earning thousands and thousands of naira on a daily basis. I'm gonna put up a screenshot of my friend that makes almost $100 on a daily basis from this platform, and that is basically how I make my own money from this platform, right? So I'm gonna go back to the home screen to show you guys other things about this platform, which is actually very, very good. I believe it's gonna help you guys, get through while handling things and doing things on this platform, right? So click on information. If you click on information, now go to member system. If you go to member system, you're gonna see different members we have on the platform. We have junior member, we have intermediate member, we have senior member. Now if you want to have a massive cash out on this app, I would advise you go for the senior member or the intermediate member. If you go for the junior member, I don't think you're going to be making much amount from this platform, right? You're not going to be making much amount from this platform using the junior member. So I would advise you go into the intermediate member or the senior member. Now if anybody joins using your link, which is your referral link, and I'm going to show you guys how to get your referral link. So if anybody joins through your referral link and he joins the upper levels, right, you're going to be earning up to 14% of his daily earnings. If that person ends up earning 100,000 daily, you're going to earn 14% of his earning, which is actually 14,000. So that is a passive income. You're not doing anything, you just refer him, then the rest of the activities he does on the site, you earn from it, which is very, very good, right? Trust me, this is very, very huge. Now let me show you how to get your referral link. Stick around. Now if you want to get your referral link, go to team. If you click on team, now scroll down. Like I said, the first level friend, you earn 10% of his first deposit, and anything he does on the platform, you earn 10%, right? So far he goes on with the activities on the site, you earn 10%. Then the second level friends, you earn 8%. The third level, you earn 5%. Now you might want to go ahead and copy your referral link. So if you want to do that, just click on the copy successful. So if you copy that, share to your family and friends. If you look here, recommend a friend to join, you can get 10% of your friends' other income, right? So that is basically it, right? So you can be earning a whole lot of money from this site. Trust me, this is actually the application. I'm gonna go ahead and put down a link in the description if you want to join the platform or download the app. I'm gonna drop a link in the description. Make sure you use the link to register. Trust me, this platform actually pays very, very well. Trust me, it pays a whole lot. It pays very, very well. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to actually input your bank details. Now if you want to place withdrawal, go ahead and click on the withdrawal, right? If you click on the withdrawal, you can fill in your bank details. Now here it is written bank code, right? Bank code is not anything personal. Bank code is literally the code of your bank, right? So click on the bank name, select the bank you're using, right? Let's say you're using Access Bank, the code will appear here that will have bank code. So it's not something that is very, very personal, or it's not even personal at all. It's just the code your bank is bearing. So fill in the remaining details and also set a password that you can be using to withdraw your money whenever you want to, right? So that is basically it. And once you're done, save and go ahead and withdraw. So that is just it for this platform. I believe this video has helped you guys. Now if you come to the platform, look closely, you see here we have virtual currency. Now everybody that joins the platform stands an opportunity to earn 500 naira instantly for free just for joining the platform, right? So that is just it. Now if you want to fund your account, go ahead and click on recharge, right? If you click on recharge, they're going to show you this. Just select any amount that you want to recharge. 1,500 is the minimum you can recharge with on this platform, right? So you can select 1,500, 5,000, anyone up to 50,000. Go ahead and recharge, right? That is just it. So I think that's basically all I have to show you guys on this video, right? Now you can buy other things from this site, but I think the service is not available for now. Don't panic about anything at all, right? I think that's basically all I have for you on this video. If you want to earn money, this is actually a very good one to start with. All right, another good thing about this platform is that once you refer anybody, you're earning as huge as 250 naira. Now take a look at this. If you refer up to 100 people, that means you're earning 25,000 naira. Trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity, right? All you need to do is to keep working and keep exploring this platform. I'm not going to tell you guys everything about this platform until you start using this platform. I think when you start using the platform, it will help you to discover more opportunities
that you can be earning on this platform. Now, another good thing about this platform is that you can use the money you've earned on this platform to actually purchase items on the platform, right? I know you might be wondering, what type of items can you purchase on this platform? You can buy your phone. I didn't buy this one on that side though, but this wristwatch, I got it from the site, right? So I think a whole lot of opportunities is there waiting for you on the side. All you need to do is to get ready to work on this platform. It's very, very easy, just like that. Like I'm showing you guys with the camera, you need to be very, very ready to work on this platform, right? I think with that being said, I'm going to bring this video to an end. Like I said, if you like this video, just drop a like on the video. If you don't like the video, you can go ahead and drop the dislike. It's actually allowed, but before you do that, go down there in the comment section and tell me the reason why you don't like the video. It will help me to be improving on my content. You know, what I do on this channel is to talk about money and personal finance, entrepreneurship, investment, right? If I see any opportunity that will fetch you guys some money, I'll bring it on to this channel. You know what's up? It's a boy DonTim. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I want to thank my guy that is behind the camera, right? Shout out to my guy Dio for helping me out for this shoot. I really, really appreciate it. You can go ahead and show him love down there in the description using his IG account, right? With that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.